Hello, it's John Conley with Success Real Estate. I've been asked by a lot of investors recently to assist them in making a decision. Do they want to fix and flip a home, or do they want to be a long-term investor, being a landlord? And what advice can I offer them? The first bit of advice I'd offer to you would be is when you're doing a fix and flip, I often use the terminology that's today's money. You're going to be able to get your return on your investment back within the next 6 months, hopefully. But yet if you're going to be a long-term investor and you're going to hold on to the property for the next 20 years, then basically you're in it for the long haul. I often explain to people that if you go, one of the key factors that you can do as being an investor is to understand your profits and to understand the numbers that are going to go along with it. So you've got to have what your cash flow expectations are going to be. So on average, if you're going to fix and flip a home, I often say to people when they ask me what type of financial expectations should I have, I use the rule of thumb that if you're purchasing a $200,000 property, on average investors like to get anywhere between a $20,000 to $35,000 profit. That's a normal return on your investment of a $200,000 flip. Now, when it goes to a long-term investment, you're being a landlord, there's a lot of things to take into consideration. Some people may sit back and say, well, I'm only going to make $200 a month on that property. Is it worth the headache? What I'd ask you to take into consideration would be this, that you're going to be looking at, on average, a 3%, and that's normal, a 3% appreciation. So if you're holding that